So here are the 4 free 2D CAD softwares for students. Number 4 is LibreCAD. It's completely free, no strings attached software for students as well as for commercial users. It is available in 30 languages and you can get it for Windows, Mac and even Linux. Now the next free software in this list is DibacCAD. This software is especially great if you want to make architectural plans, and it has some ready-made tools like walls, stairs, doors that will help you quickly make the drawings. Now the second one in this list is BricsCAD. Now this one is a really great tool for 2D and 3D modeling, and most of the commands and workflow are similar to AutoCAD. And finally, the number 1 is definitely AutoCAD. Yes, it is completely free for students, and to get it licensed, all you need to do is just upload your student ID when registering on Autodesk website. So that was the list of free 2D CAD softwares. Now, if you want to know the list of 5 free 3D modeling softwares for students, then click the subscribe button and I'll share it in the next shot.